how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can see who has blocked you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see who has basically blocked you on Instagram, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application. Now let's say that you think that someone has blocked you. When you go to their profile, most likely you will not be able to see their profile, as it could say that the user is not available. But in most cases what happens is that that person could have simply deleted or deactivated their account. So another way to figure out if someone has blocked you is, if you have some other accounts that are available, try to log into those accounts, or maybe just create a dummy account, or even if you have a friend, try to search for that person from the another account. And if the name shows up in another account but does not show in your main account, it means that they has blocked you on your main account, and they don't know that the name also appeared in another account. So if you try to search from your friend's account and then you just search for them, it basically means that they have blocked you, and this is the easiest way to figure it out. This way you'll be able to find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.